Okay, today's video we're going to discuss another video for name resolution in Azure environment. Uh, Last two videos we discussed how do we going to use Azure default DNS and custom DNS in name resolution in Azure environment. What we're going to do today we're going to discuss the service Azure provide, which is called Azure Private DNS. How do we going to use Azure Private DNS in Azure environment? So if I briefly explain this private DNS is a service Azure provide, right, for the name resolution. We had a look what are the advantages and disadvantages when you're using each DNS method in previous two videos. So private DNS is a service we can create here in private DNS zones. Once you create a private DNS zones, you can link the VNet into that private DNS zone, and you can enable auto registration. Once you enable auto registration, if you create any resource like a virtual machine in that linked VNet, it will automatically create and register the record in private DNS zone. So not like in using a custom DNS zones, um, it will prevent that overhead. We have to create every single record manually. So this is a easy way to create all internal DNS records without you manually involving, right? So the other advantage of private DNS is um, it does support all DNS records like if I say some examples like text records, A records, 4A records, server record SRV, and then you can create a mail exchanger record, CNAME, chemical name records, and whatever DNS it does support. That's another advantage. So I briefly explain the limitations and the things that you can use private DNS, and one private DNS zone can be linked up to 1,000 minutes. Uh, Only 100 minutes you can enable auto registration, but up to 1,000 minutes you can use for uh, name resolution. Only thing, again, it can use for one DNS, private DNS zone can be linked to 100 auto registration uh, minutes. But the other thing is one private DNS zone support 25,000 records, so we can have huge number of records it does support. Um, all right, and now what we're going to do is we're going to I'm just getting my environment created here. So we're going to create as I explained in this diagram. So I'm going to create a private DNS zone here, and then I'm going to link private DNS zone to these two VNets, head office VNet and client VNet, and we're going to look into how it's registered records automatically, and then we going to test uh, whether the resolution works in between them, right? All right, let's get it started. So I'm going to go to this is all my resources being created. That is the same thing. I mean, no any different in the diagram like I just ran that script and got these 21 resources ready, right? Okay, now let's create a private DNS zone, right? Private DNS zone. So this is what we're going to do. Okay, so create private DNS zone. Okay, so call it cloud labs dot abc, right? And go next editor. We're not going to edit anything here. Just going to go view and create. It's running for final validation now. Okay, validation path and create. So one other thing is auto registration is easy, but it's still if you want manually create reports, you still can create manual reports in there. I'm going to show you in the video later how do you going to create manual reports as well. But first, let's do auto registration and see how auto registration works, right? This is deployment is in progress. They are very quick, won't take too long. Once this private DNS zone created, okay, so it's done with the resources, right? So this is private DNS zone, so you can see all of the properties here. Just go to DNS management. So here you record sets. You can add record set manually, right? Okay, so this is where you link virtual network links, right? So let's link this one. First one, going to link name. Okay, let's say head up with this link. So this is head up is link. Head up is link. Name must begin with letter Y. Got anything? All right, YP this underscore. Let me try something else. Okay, what is that? Okay. Head of these links. Sometimes it gives you error. I don't know what was that. So here we use head of this and we're going to tick this on for enable auto registration. So these will register all my resources automatically, right? Okay, so creating virtual network link. Take a little while. So while it's creating the link, it's going to update the record as well. All right, so it's saying it's in progress, right? It's in progress. Let's see when it's finished. Right, so closing probably be updating all the records inside the resources. So we should create records for our internet virtual machine, server virtual machine, and client virtual machine. So you go to overview, right? It says it's created here, right? Go to overview, right? And see, you can see 4 record sets here and virtual links one. So let me go to this one, right? Yeah, you can see this through automatically. It has created all these 3 machines, right? And record types, and you can even edit them, right? Let's go to this one. Right. Okay, so I want to show you something. Okay, go to home. Right. Okay, so cloud. Already see, right? Virtual links, registrations are that's going to one of them. Virtual network link. See that? You can see that link, right? Virtual network. That is. So it goes to virtual link and says Azure provided DNS service, right? Okay, so that one is done. Let's add second one as well. So go add this code branch link. Probably okay. So it says branch link. So this one branch link. So I can go with enable auto registration, right? But what I'm going to do is to show you how are you going to create manually. I'm not going to enable this one. So enable auto registration. So go create. Just going to create the link, but it's not going to create any records automatically. Right. Virtual network links is being created. So you can see the link completed. Virtual network name, auto registration here is enabled. Go back to internet disabled. So you can edit in here. Please. Okay, so we got step 4 virtual links to, right? So it's being created. Right. See that now what it show you when you create a private DNS zone. This is the details. Just want to show you, right? So this is good. You probably remember if you're doing any exam or anything, maybe they can ask. So number of records. This private DNS zone got one record, right? Number of records. That's what they say. Maximum number of record sets. This is record sets, right? So 25,000 record sets you can have. Number of virtual network links, right? You can do 1,000, right? And we see number of virtual network link with auto registration. You can go up to 100, right? Right. So that's what it is. That's what it says. Okay. Let's go back. Cloud, right? Okay. So once you go to virtual network links, let's go back into branch one, right? Right. So click on branch one, right? See, branch one is created and it says it's auto registration is disabled, right? Go to OV, right? It's only 4 record sets, right? So click on that. All right. So what are we going to do? I'm going to create a record, right, for the virtual network link, the second one, right? So go add the name, VM. Right. So it's a record, right? Leave it as it is. So here the IP address 192.168. One dot four. So I'm going to add this one. Take the record set. See that? Registered false, right? Refresh. But if you click on auto registration when you're linking what you link, is this one is going to uh, register the DNS record, but because of we haven't clicked on that, haven't come up with that record. All right, let's go virtual machines. Let's go to internet. Let it come back. So slowly. Take a little while. Embracing. Copy. Just kind of login into this machine. Just so everybody. It was already open. Took a little while for some reason, I don't know. I can paste, open, accept, bring it in here. Azure user password. Just going to copy the password. All right, I'm in. Let me make it a little bit bigger. You can see that. Control L. All right, so NS we are in internet region, so let's have a look. Server region dot this cloud labs dot abc. Yes, was able to sort out that one. Let's go into client region. Yes, and let me try branch in. Branch VM. Yeah, it was able to sort out branch VM as well. And what about internet? And let's look up www.google.com. Yeah, was able to sort out. Let me look into branch one now. Right, this is sure user at 192.168.1.4. Yes, password. Yeah, I'm in a branch in NS lookup. Okay, let's look up. Server VM dot cloud labs So ABC, yes, supposed to be able to sort of. Let's have a look. 5 p.m. 5 p.m. Yes, we're able to sort out 5 p.m. Let me try. Sorry, and it's look up. Let's try going into a Google www.com, google.com. Yeah, good. Yeah, and it is google.com. Yeah, that's funny. So uh, we are able to sort out private DNS. So I showed you how to create a manual records as well. I think this is uh, this is for this video, and what we're going to do, we're going to discuss a few others in the next video. We're going to looking into Azure DNS. It's not private DNS. How do we how someone going to sort out or resolve the name from external to internal, whatever internal, let's say you've got a web server or something. How do we resolve that web server address? Someone looking from outside external link. So if I quickly discuss the advantage of this private DNS is it's make life very easy rather than using custom DNS. Sort of automatic registration and no overhead. You can work up to thousands of minutes and 25,000 records in a one DNS zone. So it's going to make it easy. But again, there are few things. One thing, if you need to use a conditional border sort of things, it's still private DNS. We don't have option to enter that conditional forward. In saying that, I'm going to end up this video, and I see you guys from next video. Thank you very much.